Hey, what's up everyone? Did you know that a robot vacuum can save you over 30 hours of cleaning every year? If you're tired of pushing a vacuum around or wasting time sweeping and mopping, you're in the right place. Today we're going to compare the best robot vacuums on Amazon, so you can pick the one that fits your needs. Stick around because we'll reveal the ultimate winner based on overall features. Let's jump right in. On number 6, Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. Looking for a top-tier robot vacuum and mop hybrid? Like on number 6 is the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, which promises high-end performance with impressive features. It's equipped with 10000P suction power, self-cleaning capabilities, and an automatic detergent dispenser for hands-free convenience. LiDAR and AI-powered mapping help it navigate and avoid obstacles, while its sleek design adds elegance to your home. It shines on carpets with its powerful suction and dual brush rolls, and the voice assistant makes it easy to control hands-free. However, the mop cloth mount isn't detachable, making cleaning a bit tedious. It can also struggle with obstacles and dirt flinging on hard floors, so if you're looking for an all-round flawless experience, it may not be the best option. Priced at $1,799, it's a premium pick for those who want top-tier performance and are willing to invest in high-end tech. Bottom line, the S8 MaxV Ultra is a great choice for hassle-free cleaning, but might not be ideal for those on a budget or needing better obstacle avoidance. On number 5, iRobot Roomba J77150. Looking for a robot vacuum with smart automation? Like on number 5 is the iRobot Roomba J7, packed with features like hazard detection to avoid obstacles such as pet waste and power cords. The self-emptying dock, available with the J7 Plus model, is a standout feature for those who prefer hands-off cleaning. This vacuum excels in maneuverability and navigating around obstacles, and it's perfect for homes with pets. The self-emptying feature is especially convenient, ensuring you don't have to empty the dustbin regularly. However, it struggles with fine debris, particularly on carpets, and its mapping process takes longer than some competitors. The ongoing maintenance costs can also add up over time. Priced at $599, it's great for those who prioritize convenience and automation, but it may not be the best option for those needing superior carpet performance. Bottom line, the Roomba J7 is a solid choice for pet owners and those who want advanced automation, though it comes with extra maintenance costs. On number 4, Dreame X40 Ultra. The Dreame X40 Ultra is a vacuum mopping combo that offers impressive suction and smart features. Like on number 4 is the Dreame X40 Ultra, which comes with 100 zero-power suction, powerful obstacle detection, and innovative rotating mopping pads, making it a top contender for those who want efficiency. This model excels at both vacuuming and mopping, adapting seamlessly to different floor types. It's perfect for large homes with various surfaces, offering a deep clean with minimal effort. The long battery life and customizable cleaning options through the app provide added convenience. However, it is pricey, and the base station takes up a lot of space. Some users may find the setup process overwhelming, especially with its advanced features. Bottom line, if you're looking for top-tier cleaning with advanced technology and you don't mind the price, the Dreame X40 Ultra is a fantastic option, though it may require a little more space and patience for setup. On number 3, Dreame L20 Ultra Robot. The Dreame L20 Ultra is another vacuum mop combo, offering powerful suction and long battery life. Like on number 3 is the Dreame L20 Ultra, which stands out with 7,000 PA suction and retractable mops, making it a great option for large homes and diverse floor types. It has a long battery life of up to 180 minutes, allowing it to clean larger spaces without needing frequent recharges. The L20 Ultra adjusts its cleaning mode based on surface type, ensuring an optimal clean for every room. However, it's expensive, and some advanced features might be tricky for non-tech savvy users to master. The obstacle detection isn't as refined as some other models, leading to occasional issues with avoiding small obstacles. If you're a tech enthusiast who values performance and can afford it, this robot vacuum is an excellent choice. Bottom line, the Dreame L20 Ultra offers great performance, but its high price and learning curve may not suit everyone. On number 2, Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Looking for a versatile robot vacuum? Like on number 2 is the Eufy X10 Pro Omni, which offers AI navigation, self-emptying capabilities, and an efficient mopping system. With its AI navigation, it avoids obstacles seamlessly while offering multi-map support and a self-emptying bin, making cleaning effortless. The continuous mopping function is excellent for handling sticky messes, making it perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. However, the suction power isn't as strong as some of its competitors, particularly when cleaning carpets. Additionally, the battery life may not be enough for larger homes or multiple cleaning sessions in a day. Priced at $799, it's an excellent option for busy households looking for convenience, but it may not be the best for those with large carpeted spaces. Bottom line, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is a great choice for general use in smaller homes or households that value convenience, though it may struggle with heavy carpet cleaning. On number 1, Roborock Q Revo. Finally, like on number 1 is the Roborock Q Revo, which takes the top spot. This robot vacuum is designed to do it all, offering the ultimate convenience with a multifunctional dock that self-empties and cleans mop pads. It features a 2.7-litre dustbin and a 5-litre water tank, ensuring that it can clean large areas without needing frequent maintenance. The Q Revo is fantastic for homes with pets, as it effortlessly picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair. The multifunctional dock is a game changer, saving you time and effort in keeping the mop pads clean and water tank full. However, it is expensive, and occasional maintenance like cleaning the mop pads is necessary. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that provides a hands-free experience, this model is the clear winner. Bottom line, the Roborock Q Revo offers unmatched convenience and power, making it the best all-around option for large homes and pet owners willing to invest in a premium, hassle-free cleaning experience. So, what do you think? Which robot vacuum would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more info on each model. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.